What's up, guys? This is Cody, the creator of the Helpful Dreams channel, and I just wanted to drop in and share something that I was reflecting on today. I know that this is a community of like-minded people, and we are all striving to develop ourselves on a personal level, a spiritual level, on financial levels, and we just all have this important drive behind us to be constantly better in our lives for ourselves and those around us. And I just wanted to share something that I just wrote today in my journal. And I think it goes along with a lot of the things that are on this channel already. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on it. And we're going to go ahead and dive in right now. It's a beautiful day. I've been reflecting on running a successful business for myself for almost 10 years now. I love days like this where I finally get a glimpse of clarity, free from all of the man-made tethers placed on my mind and spirit. Free to look at life from the role of the observer. When I am truly in the trenches in grind mode, it is as if I'm submerged in the constant flow of information, analyzing, computing, implementing, testing, executing, reacting. When taking the deep dive for the treasures we seek, we have to remember to come back up for air. The dive starts with desire, inspiration, then motivation. Just as you are taken deeper into water with the repetitive action of paddling, each repetitive action and discipline in your life takes you deeper. In most cases, far away from the surface, where humans were meant to thrive. It's okay to be a treasure hunter. I have a collection of treasures and memories I have collected. This is what gives us the adventure we need in our lives. It is what feeds progression and innovation. It is what sets us apart from the other creatures on this earth. Remember to come back up for air. The human mind can become tangled in ideologies and systems, even more so when they are tied to profits and survival. We easily fall victim to ideas and narratives that seek to sap us of our energy and attention. These ideas and systems need human energy to live. They thrive off both sides of the pendulum, swaying, needing our thoughts to create the motion. But humans are not batteries. Be wary of the systems you are powering. Learn to play the game with intention. Step back to see the systems you are powering from the outside. It's not that you take place in the middle. This would insist you are against both sides, creating a new direction for the system to sway. Simply observe. We can play the game. However, we are not the game.